In this video, we are going to have a look at a logical reasoning question based on matrix and grid. Now, let's first of all read the question and understand what the question is telling us before we get into solving it. Let's read this question. Five friends Anurag, Vijender, Vipin, Parakram and Abhinav, nicknamed Sonu, Tinkle, Babu, Monu and Gorki, not necessarily in that order, met after a long time. To celebrate their reunion, each of them decided to treat all their other friends at different cafeteria, namely Barista, CCD, Minerva, Mojo, and Keventus. Each cafeteria serves a different drink from among fruit juice, Pepsi, vodka, milk, and cold coffee. Following additional information is given about them. And then you have these statements. Anurag, who is not Sonu or Tinkle, didn't treat at Keventus. Parakram, who is Gorki, didn't treat with vodka or at CCD. Monu, who is not Abhinav or Anurag, treated at Barista. Abhinav treated with a drink whose name started with the same alphabet as that of the cafeteria in which it is served. The same holds true for one other friend who is neither Vijender nor Gorki. Vodka was served at Mojo and Vipin treated with Pepsi. Each friend has a different nickname, treats at a different cafeteria, and treats with a different drink. So these are the 6 statements which are given to you. If you observe these 6 statements that are given to you, you will find that a lot of these statements are negative statements. And what are the negative statements given to you? 1. Anurag is not Sonu or Tinkle. 2. Anurag did not treat at Keventus. 3. Parakram did not treat with vodka or at CCD. 4. Monu is not Abhinav or Anurag. And 5th one, Vijender and Gorki did not treat with the drink having the same initial as that of the cafeteria. Now when you have so many negative statements, it is extremely difficult to use a table to solve this, because ideally when you have more than 2 parameters, like in this case where you have 4 parameters, you have the name, the nickname, the cafeteria and the drink, it is advisable to use a table. But we will not use a table when there are negative statements, because in the table then you can't fill anything up. So what do we do now? So we look at these negative statements and then these positive statements. And if you look at these positive statements, there are a lot of them as well. Parakram is Gorki, Monu treated at Barista, Vipin treated with Pepsi, vodka was served at Mojo, cold coffee was served at CCD, and milk was served at Minerva. Now how did I get that cold coffee was served at CCD and milk was served at Minerva? Because I inferred it. Why? Because if you move on to the previous statement, Abhinav treated with a drink whose name started with the same alphabet as that of the cafeteria in which it is served. Now this is only possible if it is CCD and cold coffee, Minerva and milk, or Mojo and milk. But the very next statement says vodka was served at Mojo. So Mojo wasn't the place where the friend has treated with the same drink, with the drink having the same alphabet as that of the cafeteria. So it has to be then cold coffee and CCD and milk and Minerva. That's how we get this. So we have 3 of the drinks mapped already to the cafeteria, and then we have Parakram is Gorki, so a name mapped to the nickname, a nickname mapped to a cafeteria, Monu treated at Barista, and a name which is connected to a drink, which is Vipin treated with Pepsi. Now see, as we discussed, negative statements we can't use table because it's so difficult to fill anything in the table. So the first method that we are going to follow here is we'll use 2 grids. So let's look at all the positive statements once again, and one thing that we'll realize is one of the grid that you will make is cafeteria and drink. Why cafeteria and drink? Because if you see 1, 2 and 3, all these 3 are mapped, so it will become very easy for us to map all these 3 into a grid. So let's do that. Now here I have made a grid where you have CCD, Barista, Mojo, Minerva, Keventus on the top, and on the left side you have milk, vodka, cold coffee, fruit juice and Pepsi. And we have these 3 statements which are corresponding to this. Vodka was served at Mojo. So what I can do now is I can start filling this up. So vodka was served at Mojo. So this is a yes. All others will become cross because vodka cannot be served anywhere. Mojo cannot serve anything else. Similarly, I can say cold coffee was served at CCD. So cold coffee was served at CCD. So this is a yes and all others are cross. Next one. Milk was served at Minerva. So milk was served at Minerva. All others are now cross. So from these three statements, we get these three connections. And now we have to find out which cafeteria serves fruit juice and which one serves Pepsi. Now, since I have made one other grid as the cafeteria and the drink, so the other grid that I'm going to make is with the other two parameters, which is the name and the nickname. And if you look at this grid now, one thing is already given to you and mapped here, which is Parakram is Gorky. So I'm going to mark Gorky as Parakram here. So this is Anurag, Vijender, Vipin, Parakram, Abhinav. And you have Sonu, Tinkle, Babu, Monu, Gorky. And I'm marking here Gorky is Parakram from this particular statement which is given to you. Now all the other statements which are there based on this particular grid are negative statements. So let's go on to those negative statements now. So among the negative statements, we have the first one, which is Anurag is not Sonu or Tinkle. So Anurag is not Sonu or Tinkle. I'm going to mark that here. And we also have Monu is not Abhinav or Anurag. So Monu is not Abhinav, Anurag and not Abhinav here. So I've marked both of them. So from here I get an inference that Anurag is Babu. So that's the inference I can get from here. We also know that Anurag did not treat at Keventer's and Parakram did not treat with vodka or at CCD. We can mark that here at the bottom so that we are very clear of what we have with us. Now comes the last but one statement which says Abhinav treated with a drink whose name started with the same alphabet as that of the cafeteria in which it is served. The same holds true for one other friend who is neither Vijender nor Gorky. So one thing we have very clearly understood here is the cafeteria that we are talking about and the drink that we are talking about here is cold coffee and CCD and Minerva and milk, and that will be what that one among those will be what Abhinav would have had. So CCD, cold coffee, Minerva, milk is for Abhinav, one of them. And also the same holds true for one other friend who is neither Vijender nor Gorky. So what I can say is Gorky did not have Minerva, milk at Minerva, and also we know that he did not give his treat at Barista. Why? Because why he did not give his treat at Barista? Because we know in Barista who gave the treat? Monu gave a treat at Barista, that we have already seen when we were looking at the positive statement. So now I know here that Parakram or Gorky did not give his treat with Mojo, with vodka at Mojo, with cold coffee at CCD, with Minerva, with milk at Minerva, and then he has also not given a treat at Barista. That means he has definitely given a treat at Keventus. And it says same holds true for one other friend. The other friend is Vijender. So Vijender also did not give his treat with cold coffee or milk. Now because we know that there is one more statement among the positive statements which says Vipin treated with Pepsi. So I'm going to put that there. So Vipin treated with Pepsi and we have marked Pepsi here. Now see, this is something that you can now understand from here. Keventer's, the treat was given by Parakram. Pepsi, the treat was given by Vipin. Definitely that means in Keventer's Pepsi was not served. That means in Keventer's fruit juice was served and Pepsi was served in Barista. So these two we will get to know from here. Also we now know that Monu treated at Barista. That was one of our positive statements. So I'm going to mark that here. Monu is treating at Barista. So Monu is Vipin. So that leaves us with Anurag, who has given a treat with CCD at cold coffee at CCD and milk at Minerva. So that also tells me that Vijender gave his treat with vodka at Mojo. So this completely now solves the question for me, but I still don't know who is Sonu or Tinkle here. I also don't know who gave the treat at CCD and who gave the treat at Minerva. So these are the two grids that we use to solve this. This grid is partially filled and we don't know about this and this because it can be interchangeable. But these three we are very sure of. So Vijender gave his treat with vodka, Vipin gave his treat with Pepsi, and Parakram gave his treat with fruit juice. So now let's look at the questions. If Anurag treated his friends with cold coffee, then which drink did Sonu treat his friend with? Now see, one thing that we don't know is who is Sonu. So if Anurag treated his friends with cold coffee, then Sonu could have been Vijender, in which case he would have treated his friends with vodka, or he could have been Abhinav, in which case he could have treated his friends with milk. So this answer will be D, cannot be determined. Next one. Which drink is served in Barista? That we have already got, that's Pepsi. Who among the following cannot be the person who gave a treat at CCD? Now if you look at this, we know that Babu could have given a treat at CCD. If Sonu was Abhinav, he could have given a treat at CCD. Abhinav definitely could have given a treat at CCD. But the person who could not have given a treat at CCD is Vijender, because he gave his treat with vodka at Mojo. So the answer is only D. How many of the following cafeterias could be the one in which Tinkle could give a treat? Now see, Minerva, Mojo and CCD is given, but we don't know who is Tinkle. So if Tinkle is Vijender, he could have given his treat at Mojo. If he was Abhinav, he could have given his treat at CCD or Minerva. So the answer will be A, B and C. So we solve this question using two grids. The second method of solving this question is a shorter method, kind of a shortcut, which will require a little bit of practice using one grid to solve a 4-parameter question. I'll be adding a video for this and providing the link of that video to the description of this particular video, so watch out for it. In the meanwhile, you can pick up some more questions which has got a lot of negative statement in it and try the method 1, which is using two grids to solve the question.